Hi everyone, today we are going to see a Bluetooth controlled lawnmower. Usually the lawnmower controlled in the manual process, like we just hold the lawnmower and we move it in a slow manner. But now the same thing is controlled using a Bluetooth module, and it has two servo motors to clip onto the grass holders and a cutter that can actually cut the grass in an even height. So let's see how it works. First we will see the CAD model, then the working part. So here goes the CAD model. So this is the CAD model of the robot. So from the CAD model, you can see there are three main parts. One is the circuit board, which has the Bluetooth module, and motor drives, which controls the four wheels. Then two servo motors, which has two finger lap clips, which actually holds the grass. Which this control can be, this motion can be controlled using the Bluetooth controller, using the app provided by SPRW. And the third main part is the blade, which actually cuts the grass. So these three parts are combined together to form the robot. Sundareshan. This is my project based on beginner's level, and the project is very simple. We have all seen lawn mowers, which is used for cutting the grass and leveling up in the same manner, and the same process is done here. This bird is used using Bluetooth controller module, and it has two servo motors and a DC motor which is fixed to the blade. So basically what it does is, these two servo motors are used for holding the grass, just like how we hold the grass in the bottom area. And once it gets a grip with the grass, the blade is used for cutting the grass and leveling up. And same way, we can just move forward and use the controller Bluetooth module to move in several directions, and such a manner that all the areas are evenly done. Thank you.